I'm Lois from Canada, and I just ordered this bag from Saint Stag. And the attention to detail on this bag surpassed any bags that I have ever ordered. It was all wrapped. Each individual thing was wrapped for shipping. It came in this beautiful bag here. And then with a thank you note, they also gave you a very nice keychain, a thank you card, and then your instructions. Now this bag, the details on it and the workmanship is just unbelievable. The zippers, as you can see, are just easy. There's 2 pockets inside. Pocket here, place for your pens, your books, more compartments, another zipper. Then on the side, there's another pocket, and on the back, another zipper. Now these zippers are just unbelievable. They are good quality. Everything about this bag is high quality, right from their little designs to personalizing it. Now I write books, so therefore this makes a great book bag and would make a great gift for anybody. Please check out their store. It's a small business and it is the best business I have ever dealt with. So please give them a try. You will not be disappointed. Saint Stag for quality leatherware. Thank you and have a good day.